Hello, my name is Christina Rabeck, and my thematic unit is on penguins in the month of January for a kindergarten ICT classroom. The class is made up of 25 children, 10 of whom have IEPs and 15% who are general. My activity today is a math activity. The children are going to create a bar graph. Pre-academic skills help children develop underlying cognitive skills such as focused attention, deliberate memory, and self-regulation. Pre-academic content is used to prepare children for the leading activity of the next stage and the learning activity. Children learn that certain activities have standards. So the children already began to learn about penguins. They are now going to take that information and further gather their data. This is a chart the children will be doing. It's called What is Your Favorite Penguin? Before the children graph their penguin, we'll go over the different types of penguins that we learned. Here's the word penguin for them to remember the types. That's the Gentoo penguin, the Emperor penguin, the Rockhopper penguin, and the Adelie penguin. The students have seen all these types of penguins during our nonfiction reading. The students will be given an index card about this size. They will have to pick their favorite penguin and draw a picture of it. They'll have about 5 minutes to do so on their own. They'll write their name on it, and if they can, they'll write the name of the penguin. Then as the class comes back to do a shared group activity, they'll take their activity and we'll graph the data we learned. So for example, if one student likes the Rockhopper penguin, they'll come to the graph, find the Rockhopper, and he'll put the penguin that he was drawn right here. The whole class will get a turn to do so, and then we will look at the results from our data. In Vygotsky and pre-academic activities, scaffolding is planned in the activity. Children do a shared activity, and children help each other and work in pairs or groups. So this will be done as a whole class, but then the students will discuss with their neighbor or their partner why they picked this penguin, and also with their partner we will go over the results of the graph, such as which penguin was liked the most and which penguin was liked the least as a class. All activities done for children at any age should be meaningful. When things are meaningful, children remember them more. If they see that we just learn penguins and we don't want to go further with it, they won't be excited. But if they see that just of certain types of penguins that we can make a graph out of it, and it's something they got to do with hands-on and put their input on it, it will be more meaningful to them. So graphing is a great way to do this because we'll hang this up in the classroom and they'll see their own work demonstrated and be able to tell data from looking at the pictures. I hope you enjoyed my lesson on penguins. Thank you.
Walking.